Hey guys, so we're back with thought of the day's videos also. I really think these are worthy videos. There's a lizard on the wall as I speak right now, and I'll have to deal with the lizard after I'm done shooting the video. So the thought of the day is on dreams. I think because if you go through these thought of the day videos, every video has something to learn about life. Every video has something beautiful to talk about life. So the thought of the day right now is on dreams. Okay, and that's one of my favorite things. I actually wrote a blog post 2 days back about dreams on my blog. That you gotta be mad to follow your dreams. And the thought is by Langston Hughes. And the thought says, hold fast to your dreams. Hold fast to dreams. For if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. It's kind of rhyming. Hold fast to dreams. For if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Langston Hughes. Right? So dreams are important. Your dreams to become the kind of person you want to become, they are extremely important. Okay, so no matter what anybody says, do not give up on your dreams. Do not give up on your dreams, even if sometimes on bad days you tell yourself to give up on your dreams. What you dream to be is who you really are. Okay, what you dream to be is who you really are, and that is the kind of that's the person you're supposed to become. That's the person you born to be. So do not give up on your dreams, no matter what happens. There will be times when you will be extremely low. There will be times you'll go through failures. There will be times when things do not look up bright. Do not give up your dreams. Your dreams are the reason you feel good about life. Your dreams are the reason there is hope in life. Your dreams are everything to you. Your dreams are everything to you. No matter what happens. No matter how much pain you have to go through, because when you're in the process of achieving your dreams, that's your real happiness. Because that's the thing that makes you happy, the process of achieving your dreams. There'll be times you'll fail, there'll be disappointments. Do not give up, because if you give up on your dreams, there's no life. No dreams, no life. So no matter what you go through, keep working towards your dream, because when you achieve those dreams, that is the definition of a life lived well enough. Most people give up on their dreams. Most people do not even try to achieve their dreams because they think they can't do it, because their families don't support them, because the society doesn't support them. We do not live in a world where people support other people's dreams. We live in a world where people try to tell other people to not follow their dreams, unfortunately. So even if nobody supports your dreams, you are the only person who's supposed to believe in yourself that you will not quit on your dreams. The reason I'm making these videos is because I dream of a day when this channel will be viewed by hundreds and thousands of people. Hopefully at some point I'll invest in some of the videos once I've made a certain number of videos, and this channel will be viewed by hundreds and thousands of people, and somebody will watch this video one day and not give up on his dream just because they found some motivation here, right? So if you're watching this video right now, whoever you are in the world, wherever you are, here's a dreamer telling you not give up on your dreams. No matter what happens, do not give up. Just keep going. Even if you perish in the pursuit of your dreams, that's a worthy life. That's a better life than a life where you did not even have a shot at your dreams. So don't give up. Do not let your dreams die. Like this thought says, hold fast to dreams. For if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Thank you.